Welcome to MarineMax Huntington. My name is James Duncan. Today we're going to do a walkthrough of a 2017 Sailfish 275 dual console. Starting here off the transom, we have Mercury 150s. This boat has 690 hours on it, original owner. Moving into the cockpit, a nice fold-out transom seat, ski tow bar. We have a pull-out seat on the port side, a refrigerator, sink, nice countertop, port side seat, face forward and aft. Moving here to the console, we have a nice Garmin display, your Mercury gauges, VHF radio, Fusion stereo head unit. Bathroom compartment with a vacuum flush head. Two big storage boxes in the floor. Windlass anchor up front, and also a bow table. Give us a call or come check it out. My name is James Duncan, 631-956-4865. Thank you.